2, 1, now.
Hey guys.
I'm Bob.
I'm Barb. Together we make up
HetteshWorld.
Today it's Can-Am Ride, and where are we riding to today, Bob?
We're going to Sault Ste. Marie. We're going to the Soo Locks tour.
So stay tuned. We're Bob and Barb. We've lived by the rules all of our lives, but in 2020 we threw that rule book out the window. We sold our home and moved full-time into an RV with our cat Amelia, and from now on we will be living life our way. Don't you want to come travel in our world? July of 2021, and today we're taking you on a Can-Am ride to the Sault Ste. Marie Locks. It is roughly 19 minutes from where we are staying at Brimley State Park, and we're going to be taking you on some country roads and through a little bit of small town. Hitting the roads in Michigan on your Can-Am, you are literally opening yourself up to all of your surroundings and all of the smells of the forest and the shores and the waters. It's such an intimate experience of you and your senses. When you're riding with us today, work on trying to really see if you can feel the wind and the warmth of the sun and the smell of the field, and then listen for the motor that's coming at you from the Can-Am. Thousands of people are experiencing winter right now, and this is your momentarily escape into Michigan in the summer. The Soo Locks are a set of parallel locks operated and maintained by the United States Army Corps of Engineers out of the Detroit district in Michigan. It is to enable ships to travel between Lake Superior and the lower Great Lakes. They are located on the St. Mary's River between Lake Superior and Lake Huron in the Upper Peninsula, or the UP, in Michigan. The town that we're approaching here is called Sault Ste. Marie, Sault being spelled S-A-U-L-T, and it is the only city and county seat of Chippewa County in Michigan. It has a population of 14,144, and it is up in the UP. It's definitely got that small town vibe. There's some good restaurants that are here and there. While we were there at this time, not a lot of them were open, so we didn't stop at any. So we're excited about being on this boat cruise today. We've been through it once a long time ago when the kids were little. You do get free parking in the lot over there with your ticket, which is nice, easy place to find. Yesterday on the boat cruise, I had on shorts. I did have on my sweatshirt, and it was really cold. Today I have on my sweatpants, which hopefully will feel good when I'm on the water, but I'm already hot in my sweatshirt.
For your safety, we ask you please do not stand on the benches. Sit on the back of the benches or on the back of the chairs on the lower deck. Please do not sit on the railings of the upper deck or in the windows of the lower deck. As you're moving about the vessel, please use the seat backs and the handrails to steady yourself. And please watch your step on the stairway on the back of the boat.
Stop it! I need some footage. And do you want to explain a little bit about what we're going to see?
Well, we're going through a lock.
What's a lock? Maybe they don't know.
Well, the lock it's a way of maintaining the water level, and they have them on most rivers. But in between these two lakes, the height difference, I can't remember exactly what the distance is, but 70 feet or something. So you have to go in on the lower end.
They tie us off, and then the gates behind us are going to close. So the locks are so big you can actually fit multiple boats in here. And I'm assuming you could probably put them on both sides, maybe? Or just the one side?
I guess they could if they had to. If they had a whole bunch of traffic,
Yeah.
buy a bunch of boats out.
Yep. Can you imagine the pressure that's on that door up there? You see water spilling in that is as high as that door. It's pretty interesting.
3 different levels, he said.
Yep. All 3 different levels.
Yeah, so it's got protection in case of catastrophic failure. Then they flood the water and raise or lower the boat that you're in to get to match the level of the lake that you're entering. So it's basically a way of getting you up to the same level, the other Great Lake.
It's like a smaller scale version, maybe of what they do in the Panama Canal.
It's exactly what they do in the Panama Canal, and the ships are huge. I mean,
Yeah, down there. Yeah.
they're here too. I mean,
Yeah.
they're 1,000 feet long. It's very little energy to do it because it's all done through gravity. It just floods the lock and water wins, and if the boat floats, it goes up. Or if the boat floats, it goes down. So it's...
The tickets are $35 a person. We got $2 off, so it made it $33.
If you do it online.
If you do it online, it's an hour and a half tour.
I just looked it up. There are 13 ships that cruise the 5 Great Lakes that go through the locks that are over 1,000 feet long, so over 3 football fields in length.
It's crazy.
Pretty amazing.
So here are some fun facts that you might be interested in learning. 100% of iron ore passes through the locks annually. There are 7,000 passages that are completed every year. Visiting ships travel up to 2,342 miles to be able to cross through the locks here. Water moves in and out of the lock chamber. About 22 million gallons of water are required to traverse a boat. The largest boat that comes through is more than 1,000 feet long. It takes 9 hours to pass through. The locks allow boats to traverse at 21-foot drops. There used to be a toll of 3 to 4 cents per ton, but it is free today. The propeller is from a former steamer, and those are the 9 facts I have for you today. Tour is very interesting. If you have children, it's a great learning experience. It's definitely something you should do once, but twice, I don't know if I would do it twice. The boat ride is very slow and meticulous on its way out to the locks. The most exciting process is when you're inside of it and it's actually happening, but it's a long time to get there, and then boom, you're back really quick. As we are living our adventures, we are wanting to take you on them. So this is one that we thought would be fun to take you on today to give you a little bit of a learning and see how things go. So we hope that you will like this video and that you like the content. We're definitely all about RV life and Can-Am rides. So we hope you enjoyed the ride today. So please give us a thumbs up. Please smash up that notification bell so you know when our videos are coming out. Please comment. As you know, Bob loves to hear about all the comments that you guys have, which we've been getting very good ones lately, so thank you very much. So remember, we're HetteshWorld. Come travel in our world. Bye!